The Xiaomi 13 series, which includes the Xiaomi 13 and the Xiaomi 13 Pro, has recently been released in China. Today we will review the Pro variant, which comes with almost all the features you would expect from a flagship phone. The phone has a 2K 120Hz OLED panel for a spectacular display experience, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, which provides excellent performance. Additionally, it boasts a 50 megapixels triple camera configuration to capture clear images in any circumstance. A 4820 mAh battery that enables 120-watt rapid charging powers all of this. What more could you possibly want, then? Xiaomi has essentially overstuffed it with potent components. But specs don't always matter. Does the phone live up to expectations in practice? In this review of the Xiaomi 13 Pro, let's find out. You can tell the Xiaomi 13 Pro has a straightforward yet modern appearance as soon as you look at it. For the review, I'm using the Wilderness Green version, which looks fantastic. There are 3 additional color choices for the phone: Tau Black, Ceramic White, and Far Mountain Blue. Xiaomi offers various back panel finishes along with the various colors. The white color variety has a glass finish, the blue color variant has a leather finish, and the green color variant, which I own, has a ceramic finish. Although they are all excellent, the ceramic coating adds an additional layer of scratch resistance. The solid aluminum frame that was flat on the top and bottom and curved on the sides was appealing to me. It increases the phone's strength and durability. The device's front features a curved display with a selfie camera punch hole cutout and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. You won't notice any sharp corners anywhere, despite the fact that the phone seems boxy from the back and has symmetrical appearance elements. Instead, every corner is rounded, whether it be on the camera unit or the frame corners, giving it a more elegant appearance. When placed on a level surface, the phone sways due to the protruding, square camera unit on the back. It's a sizable phone with a sturdy construction and a high-end feel in the hand. You get the impression that you are holding a luxury phone because of the curved edges. Although it weighs about 229 grams, I would say that it is a bulky phone because I could feel the weight in my pockets. The power button and volume rockers are located on the right side of the device, speaking of buttons and ports. The secondary microphone and IR blaster are on the top, while the left side is clean. The Type-C connector, SIM tray slot, main speaker, and main microphone are all located on the bottom side. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has an IP68 rating, which helps to protect it from certain water and dust damage. I'll give you a quick spoiler. It's a stunning display. The 6.73-inch OLED display on the large 6.73-inch Xiaomi 13 Pro is equipped with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. Well, a lot of mid-range phones provide that. What distinguishes it then? It stands out because it has a 2K display with a maximum brightness of 1900 nits and a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. On sunny days, the display becomes bright enough to be utilized outside. It is pretty nearly as bright as the iPhone 14 series' 2000 nits. Under direct sunlight, I had no trouble reading the text or responding to them. Furthermore, the interaction experience is made healthy by the 120Hz fast refresh rate. Playing games or scrolling on Instagram was both incredibly smooth on the display. It was also extremely responsive, as far as I could determine. When it comes to display quality, it's excellent. The information displayed was incredibly detailed and clear. Deep blacks and vibrant dramatic colors were used throughout. I enjoyed the display a lot when watching a few YouTube videos. Curved edges, which make the overall experience extremely immersive while playing games, increase the joy. Not to mention that the screen-to-body ratio is decent, and that you get thin bezels on all sides. Just make the punch hole cutout smaller, please. The expectations, however, never cease. However, it won't hinder your regular use and doesn't distract you much. From a price perspective, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is to be anticipated to have a flagship-level camera. On the back, there is a triple camera configuration with a 50 megapixels main camera, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and another 50 megapixels telephoto lens. You will have a 32 megapixels front-facing camera for sharp selfies. All of the 50 megapixels lenses are on the rear, which is too many of them. So, are they equally effective or is it simply another number game? Well, the main 50 megapixels lens produces excellent images in daylight. The pictures I shot were sharp and detailed. The colors appeared fairly vibrant and natural, and the dynamic range was excellent. Speaking about low-light shots, the primary lens once more performed a superb job of producing attractive pictures. It has super optical image stabilization, which makes it easier to capture steady, accurate photographs at night. The photos had minimal noise, and had a respectable dynamic range with accurate color. The main lens camera quality really astounded me. Even in the area of cameras, Xiaomi has really made sure to go all out. You'll be in awe of the 50 megapixels telephoto lens portrait photographs. Everything was spot on, including the budget focus, edge detection, backdrop color, details, and clarity. The photographs were razor sharp, and the colors were true to life. The The good news is that even telephoto lenses have optical image stabilization capability, so you can get very close to your subject and still take excellent pictures without having to keep your hands rock steady. You may snap amazing close-up pictures by getting as close to the subject as 4 inches. With a field of view of 115 degrees, the ultra-wide lens produces some attractive images. Sharpness and detail could be seen in the ultra-wide pictures. Similar to the main camera, the dynamic range and colors were beautifully retained. However, as the ambient light decreases, the quality suffers. Last but not least, the 32 megapixels front camera takes excellent daytime selfies. I captured myself in vivid, detailed selfies. I thought the skin tones were really natural. Additionally, the dynamic range was extremely good. Overall, the selfies were attractive and lovely. The Xiaomi 13 Pro's 4820 mAh battery is slightly larger than the Xiaomi 13's 4500 mAh battery. You would believe it falls short of the required 5000 mAh norm for a flagship device, but in actual use, there isn't much of a difference. Even with intensive usage, you can easily get a full day's worth of battery life with this phone. You may even have juice left over for the next day if you are a light user like I am. For this battery size, I got about 6 hours of screen time, which is respectable. I spent some time looking around Instagram, spending hours playing games, snapping pictures, and watching some D videos on YouTube. You won't have to wait long to start another game, even if you manage to completely drain the battery by playing games all day. Xiaomi claims that the Xiaomi 13 Pro's 120-watt rapid charging capability takes 19 minutes to fully charge the device from 0 to 100%. So, yes, it's fairly quick. If it doesn't support wireless charging, it isn't a genuine flagship, so Xiaomi makes sure to include it as well. It has 50-watt wireless charging, which charges devices more quickly than many other mid-range smartphones' wired chargers. Additionally, you get 10-watt wireless reverse charging for your earbuds. I must state that this department is densely packed. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi 13 Pro makes no concessions. It has the most advanced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which provides best-in-class performance. The SoC is combined with 512 GB of inbuilt UFS 4.0 storage, and up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. All of this makes sure that your performance is smooth. There were no problems at all when I used the phone for daily work. The apps launched promptly, and navigating between them was easy. It was easy to multitask. Everything I threw at the phone, it could handle. Running all social media applications simultaneously, filming 8K movies, and playing graphically demanding games all without a hitch. I attempted a few challenging games now that I've brought up gaming. Genshin Impact, Apex Legends Mobile, and Call of Duty Mobile are a few examples. Even with all of the games running at their highest graphics settings, I did not experience any significant frame drops. There were no lags or shudders during play. You will like playing games on this phone, I can assure you of that. But does it maintain its performance throughout extended gaming sessions, or does it slow down? Well, as far as my testing went, the CPU temperature was well below the threshold, and I didn't notice any unusual temperature increases. You can thank the phone's substantial VC liquid cooling system for this. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is powered by the most recent MIUI 14 layer over Android 13. I'm grateful to Xiaomi for shipping the phone with the most recent Android OS right out of the box. This implies that we will receive a second, significant software update. In any case, the updated MIUI version has a ton of new features. On your home screen, which welcomes you every time you unlock your phone, you can slam an animal or plant. Additionally improved in this MIUI version is privacy. Apart from that, we are all familiar with Xiaomi's plethora of customization and personalization choices, and they are available here as well. Overall, the UI is easy to use and quick. As usual, some third-party programs are pre-installed, but you can remove the majority of them. According to Xiaomi, there are just 8 apps that are permanently installed. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has a dual speaker arrangement with one at the bottom and the other in the earpiece. Good and clear speaker quality is present. Also becoming quite loud is the volume. Although it has 5G connectivity, the 5G bands won't be revealed till the device is introduced in India. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and even the conventional IR blaster are additional connectivity options. In terms of biometrics, it had an optical in-display fingerprint scanner that proved reasonably quick and dependable. It accurately and swiftly unlocks the phone. The 2D face unlock feature is also available, but it is less reliable in dimly lit areas. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is an outstanding flagship phone with a high price tag. It appears straightforward but contains the very best. The performance is outstanding. Even the most demanding games run smoothly on it. One of the best displays on the market, the display is gorgeous. The main camera truly pleased me. How brilliantly Xiaomi has optimized its camera section surprised me. Additionally, a full-day battery backup with lightning fast charging is provided. Last but not least, the MIUI is loaded with features and offering Android 13 is a huge plus. The The Xiaomi 13 Pro has all the necessary qualities to qualify as an all-around flagship device. Although it is expensive, you certainly get what you pay for. Thank you for watching this review. Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.